Much better. Of course, then we may be too deep. See how that bobber's laying on its side? It may not have enough weight.
Magnus, don't. Can you put the cord on the picnic table, please? Thank you. Magnus, be careful, be gentle. Wait. Magnus, be patient. Maybe just drop it in the water and let them watch it really close up.
Apparently they're up there close picking off what's being dropped off in the water.
Magnus, you want to hold it? You want to hold the fishing pole? Don't throw the corn in the water.
Yeah, they're working on it.
Are you watching the red bobber?
Yes, I'm watching the fishies.
Watching the fishies?
Get it! Did I have the fish?
Do you want to hold the fishing pole?
No.
You don't?
No.
Oh, you want to hold it?
Hold it. Here, hold it right there.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Here, take it home with this hand right here. And then you take it, reel it in with that one. There you go. Alright, now we got a caster.
Hey, I did it!
You did it.
I can't.
Magnus, yeah, put the corn on the fish. Put the corn on the picnic table, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And you can hold the fishing pole, okay? Magnus.
You're gonna be feeding the. Ooh, got it.
Oh, almost got the fish.
Let's put more corn on it. We almost had that girl. You saw him too, didn't you?
Did you see the fish, Magnus?
You see that fish? We almost had a fish.
Last time we were here,
Yeah.
there was a woman close to the building and she caught a fish and Magnus was too.
Yeah.
And she reeled it in and she was like, do you want to go kiss the fish? And we got really close to him kissing the fish. Magnus, wait. Jerry's baiting the fish. Jerry's feeding the pole.
All right,
Look.
come here.
Magnus, ready?
Let's go put it back out in the water. Hang on, just hang a little.
I did it.
Yes, you did. Now, you want to drop it? Push that button right there.
Push the button.
There you go. Now turn that and it locks it in. That's good, that's good. Let the bobber float, bro. Don't worry. I know another 3-year-old boy when he was your age did the same
Oh,
thing.
where'd it go?
Magnus, no, we're not feeding the. We're not gonna feed them corn. Watch the fishing pole.
Oh. Hey! Hey! I can't have it. Down the feet.
Keep running off with her bobber and he biting the hook. Put a little bait on her hook. You know,
No, it's
yeah. Like that. In the water.
Yeah.
Let's put a little bait on
I'm
here.
Susky 5.
Do what? Hang on.
Oh! I saw it go down.
Yeah, they took off.
Yeah, they did.